Angel, Angel baby. Angel.
Hey, Carl, going to Hong Kong.
Kami sa Wokalator.
Gonna hair hug. Pina still.
We're here at the
Gate
110.
Let's go.
Light snack muna.
Aming cheese. Ensaymada. Tinadtad na kayo.
Ensaymada. Aming aircraft. Aircraft.
Tingin ka, Carl.
Nice.
Procedure recently made
You're
by the blind person and this is pocket and be reminded that an authorized removal of the
Ate Biel. Hi. Hang Kang. Kami na. Immigration.
Yes, we are now here at Hong Kong.
Hang Kang. Train to immigration.
请沿途紧握扶手。
Ganda naman po yung airport sa Hong Kong.
8:13, sorry.
E13. Babas na kami. Lagi ikaw yung nasa frame. Okay lang yan, guys.
Saan punta, Carl? Love it. Gusto ko din ganito. Pero, yeah.
So, guys, we're going to bus terminus. Going to
TST.
TST. Guys, we rode near the bus. A21. Oh, wow. We're still at the airport. Going to Attitude on Granville. That is our hotel for our stay in Hong Kong. Yes. Attitude on Granville. Dito. Here. So we're here. We're just going to 5th floor for the check-in in our hotel. Yes.
Kain na kami!
Check-in! Ah! Dito muna.
Excited daw kumain.
Okay, 9th floor, 904, right? This is our room, okay.
Nene, pagbukas may tao, no?
Oh, okay.
Okay, fine.
Hi! So this is our room.
Our small room, two single bed.
So after magawa freshen up. Here na guys sa roast this restaurant. We will try their authentic goose talaga. So we ordered tangerine peel roasted goose with rice. Tapos isang Coke Zero. Pang sponsor. So guys, tapos na kami kumain and nag-unique lang. Yummy yung goose. Bato. Nathan Road. So, pupunta kami sa Avenue of Stars. Dahil,
Because we are star.
yeah. 6 minutes pa tayo.
6 minutes walk.
6 minutes walking. Saan na tayo banda?
Ano ba ito?
Kasi nakikita na namin tong K11. Yan. K11.
Yung picture.
Yun nga eh.
Yes. We are here at...
Avenue of Stars. And we're heading
We're heading to the hotel.
and
The Royal Garden. Ang ganda doon.
entrance pa tayo sa Shangri-La.
Oo, tama naman. Ang social. Ay, sila.
No. Hunting po kami sa 7-Eleven. Since lahat po
Ayun, 7-Eleven.
ayun, kasi lahat po ng branch nagsisi-restock.
Oo.
Ayun, bukas may lumabas na.
Bukas.
Nice. Ayun po, 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven branch. Run! For our breakfast tomorrow. Oops. And we're back in our hotel. Our breakfast for today. Day 2 of our trip.
Day 2.
We're going to Yongping Cable
Yongping.
Car.
Magte-train muna kami papunta.
Ang init. Carry naman.
Wala pa namang araw dito. Natatakpan ng building. Mamaya ulas na.
Ulas na mamayang pawis ng kilikili.
Okay, we're here.
119.
Chimchachi Station. So guys,
请等候下一班车。前往青衣的列车即将到达，前往中
11 minutes pa doon
或
actually.
乘搭
Sabi
迪
sa
士尼线的乘客，
Where's Tongchong na kami? Tapos na po kami mag-coffee hop. So,
We're going to Big Buddha, Big B.
na po, punta po kami ng Yongping 360.
We need to finish this bago mag-ano.
Ubus na po yung sa akin. Sa'yo po hindi pa.
Sa akin di pa, Janet Jackson. Tapos ang init din. Hot coffee sa
Ayan
hot
po.
weather.
So, bale, akit tayo dito sa dyan sa escalator. Ayan po kami.
Ay, mahaba lang.
May pila na po.
Pila na.
So guys, we're currently in line.
Nahulog.
Malapit na po kami sumakay. Yes. The only
Yung buong vlog mo ako mukha.
ikaw talaga yun.
Si Mami.
Ikaw kasi sponsor daw kasi kaya ikaw ako.
Principal sponsor, Ninang sa Pasay.
Yan na. We're going up.
More up.
Hi guys! I'm going to Nyongping Village.
Bakit ako lagi may hala? Off kami and off na. It was very nice experiencing. Tama ba?
Experiencing Nyongping.
Nyongping. And then now we're going to Nyongping Village.
Yeah.
Oh, let's check our picture. Carl.
Wow! So we're here now
So hot.
Nyongping Village.
But it's okay. Because now we're entering the Nyongping Village.
Yeah.
Connect.
Kami 7-Eleven.
Oh, 7-Eleven na naman.
Lapitin talaga tayo ng
Oo.
7-Eleven. Kung may iris gal.
Magawang contactless.
The Nyongping Village. Yan, taas ang anong bundok. Say hi!
So haggardness. Haggardness.
Okay, so stop over muna po kami. Then, aakitin po namin ang Buddha.
Yeah. Papatuyo ng pawis.
Yes. Masasali to sa vlog. Huwag na lang natin bigyan ng context. Sobrang tirik po ng araw.
Ang tindi ng init.
Grabe.
So, nasunog ka na. No shades.
Mainit. Naakitin po namin ang Buddha. Ayan po ang Buddha. At ito po kami.
Ito pa mga Buddha.
Finally. We're here at Buddha. Yes.
That's huge. Huge Buddha. Tapos na. Baba na kami. Ibang another ride.
Another ride. Pababa na po kami from the Big Buddha.
Ang big Buddha. Doon daw yung kay Burger sa dulo.
Sa dulo.
Eme. Kuryente.
So, nandito po kami sa Hong Kong store. Oh. Yes. Going back to Tongchuan. Ayan. Takapit po siya.
It's done. Guys, you know, the ratings for the Nyongping, 5-star.
Wow.
Number one.
Yeah. So, this is our lunch.
Yum, yum, yum. Bon appetit.
Finally. Nahulas.
Yung pala Carl doon ang gagawin.
Okay.
Nakikita na.
Okay, so naliligo po kami at inilagpas po kami ng bus.
Bakit Mami, nasa Baguio na kami. Kaya nga, naka-google nga kami. So, sumakay kami ng bus.
Nasa pink tram na kami. Grabe naman.
Sa pangbira. Ito niya yung card. Amazing. As in amazing.
Entry na po kami sa Skyters 428. Ayun na. Skyters 428. So guys, kakababa lang po namin ng big tram.
Today, July 9, 12,000.
12,000 as of now.
12,019 steps.
So guys, nandito pala kami sa Hong Kong Park. Wow, cute!
Oh,
Guys.
diba? Small, ano.
So guys, we'll be having dinner saan?
Ichiran. DST branch. Hindi mabanggit yun.
Yes,
Fresh na ulit. Ang bangon namin. Kakain
Pagbalik.
naman.
Yeah, let's go. We're now at Ichiran. Let's eat, guys. Yan.
Classic tayo sa... Ay!
We're now at Ichiran.
Yes. Ichiran. Only one option. There's no options? Only one option.
Guys. We're done buying at Don Donkey and we will load our octopus card
Yeah.
for tomorrow's event, which is our Disneyland. Sana po hindi umulan. Please.
Sana nga. Kasi...
If umulan, sana mahina po. And we still want to take the rides in a dry state. Huh? Yun na. So, nandito po kami sa Disneyland kasi dito po kami sa Disneyland kaso sobrang ulan po. We can't guarantee you a vlog or Disneyland trip. Oh, we don't know what our plans this day para lang ma-maximize namin yung time this whole
Kumain na
day.
lang kami ng bakehouse.
We're still entering the Disneyland pero hindi kami bibili pa ng ticket for a while.
Namin.
Iyan lang namin to.
Experience namin entrance.
So guys, we canceled our trip to Hong Kong Disneyland. Babalik na kami, magte-train ulit kami. Nakasakay na po kami ng tren.
Thank you for traveling on the Disneyland Resort Line.
So, papunta po kaming Hong Kong Station. So guys, nandito po kami sa
Sa
Harbor City.
Harbor City Hotel. Mall.
So, this is our last night in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
And our
We
dinner.
will eat nice food. Michelin star. Yung Din Tai Fung.
Din Tai Fung. This is also my first time trying Din Tai Fung
Not
sa
in
Hong Kong
BGC.
pa.
Not BGC. Not in BGC. It's in Hong Kong.
Yeah, I'm so super excited to try. Xiaolong Bao. So guys, this is our dinner. Xiaolong Bao. Fried rice, noodles, and
Angus beef.
happy eating, guys.
Tapos na. Happy tummy.
Happy tummy for the last night in Hong Kong. And we're going back to our hotel. Ay, but first pala, we will buy onigiri for our dad.
Huwag kang mag-alala, Carlo. Ate Espaldo.
We checked out na from our hotel. And we're going now sa airport because 11 a.m. ang aming flight. Ano, I don't feel puyat sa mga ano
Gising natin.
Ako din.
Okay lang, kahit gumigising
Oo,
ng 6.
kasi sanay na yung body clock sa ganun.
Next week po.
Ito yung unang mag-google. Kasi kay Ate Biel. Pinas na kami.
Welcome back to Manila.